Hi everyone, I'm back with another Dice Envy Pride Box unboxing or unbagging! Time to open the box or bag! So this is a monthly subscription from Dice Envy. They have 3 different types. This is the medium tier. And that's my cat scratching her scratch pad like a good kitty. All right, so yeah. Oh, I don't want to look at this because this tells me what's in the box, but it is the Pride box. This is just how much it is, which if you are interested in getting the Pride box, it is $35 plus some shipping. And that's the medium one. They have a bigger one and a smaller one. Ooh. Oh, they actually, this time, same bag as last time. Nice and velvety. I like the nice and velvety. And this time the dice are inside the bag. That's exciting. Yeah, nothing else is in the bag. Ooh. Oh, one came out. Oh, I have an extra one. Here's the extra one. We got a D6. That's pretty. It seems like it's a resin dice. I like how it looks all swirly. It's like the ocean. Pretty. All right, and then here is our set. And again, all the dice are in individual plastic baggies, which I just find a little wasteful. Here's the D20. Ooh, this one's heavier than last time. This is another metal dice. It's very metallic-y. I like it. It's like almost maroon, but maroon gold. It's almost a rose gold, but not quite. You can't really, I mean, I kind of wish there was paint inside the numbers. All right, let's roll my D20. And see what I get. Yeah, this is much heavier than the aluminum dice I got last month. Ooh, 17. Awesome. Yeah, these are much heavier. These little plastic baggies. I cannot handle these little plastic baggies. Ooh. This is very pointy because it is metal. Like, it actually hurts my fingers a little bit if I push too hard. So they're all this metal color. They've already charged me for next month, so I kind of hope next month I don't get metal. Like, I would love some wood ones or something. But if it keeps continuing to be metal, like, I'm out. I mean, granted, yes, I did get one resin dice. Which, I love their little lion. Their lion's so cute. Yeah, they all, I mean, it's a beautiful color. And I really love my last ones. These are definitely heavier, though, than the aluminum ones from last month. Well, I like this. They're D6. The edges are rounded. Let's see how that rolls. Let's retry! One! I got a 1. But I like that. It's very rounded. It rolled nicely. It's kind of weird because it like bounces a little bit when it hits the edge. 3 more dice and individual baggies. Dice Envy, cut it out! I mean, really, I get their metal, so like, just like last time, I said this last time, I wonder if it's because these are metal dice, just like the last metal dice, they feel like they have to put them in individual baggies because they'll scratch each other, but I mean, I've had my aluminum dice for a month now, a little over a month, but I've kept my aluminum metal dice from last time in the nice little velvety bag. And they're not scratched up at all. They've stayed nice, so I don't get the point of these individual baggies. I just don't get it. Ooh, shiny, shiny, shiny. I do like this color a lot, though. The less expensive subscription tends to be only resin with like one really nice, like fancy dice. Whereas this one is you get a nice full set, plus then like an extra, which I really do like this extra. Like, beautiful. This has been my Dice Envy unboxing video! Lies! I realized I forgot to read you the little thing about the dice. Let's figure out what kind of dice these really are. Oh god. This month's Pride box is called Desert Planet. I suppose that looks like a desert planet. I don't really think of Tatooine as being that shiny though, even though they have 2 suns. If you can't tell, I'm a Star Wars nerd. So it says here, Dune Okay, well maybe Dune's a little more shinier than Tatooine. The most valuable planet in the universe and a wasteland of sand, dust, and spice. Guess I should have read longer. They're not going for Tatooine, they're going for Dune. Okay, which I fell asleep through that movie. My husband was like, Sam, you gotta watch Dune. So I was like, fine, I'll watch Dune. And I did, and I kept falling asleep. I didn't really like it, although I am open to seeing the remake. I think with newer technology, the movie might be a little more interesting. And I like the concept, so I should just read the book, because the book's always better. All right, behold the beauty of the desert in these color-shifting metal dice as they reflect reddish-orange to magenta and purple. Also, we really like Dune and can't wait for the new movie. Okay. That's actually written there. All right, so unlike last time, it's not really telling you what metal this is. But I don't think it's aluminum because it's much heavier. It's much heavier than the last one. These dice are based on Dune. I like Tatooine better. Oh well. Okay, now for reals. See you next time. Make sure to like and subscribe.